What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking amazing day. We are here with one of the next videos on the 2006 Club Car Precedent that I just recently got done building. All kinds of neat freaking goodies on it. And the winds, it's a little windy out here, so I'm sorry about that, first off, if you do hear it in the camera. But I want to make this video because I don't think I really actually did a full light video on this cart, like with the rear seats, the front seats, the headlights, the club car emblem, all that stuff. So we're going to do that now. In this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you all the lights as it gets dark. It's going to get dark here in a little bit. It's not quite dark yet, so we're waiting for the sun to go down. But once the sun goes down, we're going to go and get this video started and show you what this cart looks like completely lit up. So we'll make this quick for you guys. You guys don't have to wait like I do. So 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. 3, 2, 1. Dang it, it's not working. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, we got one thing working. Okay, let's get the rest of it working. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, we're a little bit better. We're still, something's not working though. I don't know what's going on, but we need to get the rest of the golf cart lit the freak up, and it's not doing it. We're gonna do it one more time. This whole golf cart will be lit up, and we'll finally show you the big Nokins light up golf cart and all that fun stuff, all their little add-ons and their seat covers and all that stuff. 3, 2, this better work this time. 1. There we go, guys. We got everything lit up. I do not have the headlight on, but I will turn it on right now just so you guys can kind of get a visual of what the golf cart looks like with the headlight on. There you go, guys. There you go. We're going to turn it off for the rest of this video, at least the most part of this video. But as you see, we have the club car front emblem. There we go. We have the Nokins headlight RGB setup in the front. We'll get to the seats here in a minute. We have the Nokins tail lights. There you go, guys. And then we have the seat covers. The seat covers are freaking awesome. Very happy with them. They are also RGB. The nice thing about the seat lights are they come with these little lights as well here, as you can see, that you can place kind of anywhere to illuminate your golf cart. I also have them in the front as well, and they coincide with the front seats, just like the back lights coincide with the back seats, guys. It is pretty freaking cool. I am very happy with this golf cart. It looks freaking amazing. We're going to show you some cool stuff here in a minute. Give me 1 second here, guys. We're going to go ahead, we're going to get our phone out, we're going to load a lamp, and we're going to change all kinds of stuff here. So as you can see, I have a lot of different settings here for the seats, the front seats, the rear seats, the main lights, the front light. We'll do the front light first. Let's turn her blue. Let's turn her yellow. Let's turn her green. Let's just have all kinds of freaking fun with her here. Look at that. The cool part about it is if we go into here, this setting for the front plate, we can actually do like a fireworks setting. We can do a birthday setting, a candlelight setting in case you want to go out to dinner on your golf cart, a sunset setting. Oh, here's a party setting. But it gets better. It gets better, guys. So we're going to go into the front seats here, and we're going to go to party mode on the front seats. Whoa! Now I'm going to have a seizure. I'll be right back. No, I'm just kidding. Nah. That's party mode for the front seats, guys, right there. And I tell you what, that is no freaking joke. No freaking joke. And the cool part about it is we can go on our phone. We can actually go to the main lights, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see that in the thing here. And there should be a party mode for the front lights too. And there we go. Look at that. Lotus Lamp X is the app that you use for all of these lights here, guys, which is pretty freaking amazing. All right, guys, we have everything set back to a cool blue color, which I really, really freaking like. This is such a pretty color on this golf cart. The headlight assembly, or RGB headlight assembly, is lit up in a blue. We have the seats lit up in blue. We have the hidden lights down there in light blue. The tail lights are in light blue. It is really nice, guys. So the nice thing about the app, guys, the Lotus Lamp app, and I know this is dark, so just bear with me here. The nice thing about the Lotus Lamp app is you can make your cart a custom color of any type with all these different things, or you can put the entire cart one color, as we've done here in this part of the video. So it's very versatile, which is actually really, really cool, guys. Amazing products from Nokins, by the way. If you guys are interested in Nokins, link in the description below. Hopefully you see my hand. I know it's dark out, but go down to the link, click on their stuff, check them out. Maybe they'll have something for your golf cart as well. So there you go, guys, a full nighttime reveal of the Nokins light up kit. We're going to give you a little surprise here. So I actually just installed this one part here. Oh, full 500 watt speaker. Oh, turn that down before I get demonetized. Full RGB 500 watt Kiyumoto speaker. I did buy this. This was not a sponsored part of the video, but we made this really nice bracket that you cannot see, that I'll probably make a later video about, honestly, to show you guys what we did bracket wise to hang this speaker up and wire it in. But very nice setup. Here's an actual full backup view of the golf cart there, guys. Freaking awesome. All right, is it better?
Fuck no.
Hopefully you guys can see me. I don't know. It's freaking dark out here, so hopefully you see me. I don't know if you can or not.
Just give me.
Okay, Zach's here. Hold on.
What's up?
You can barely see him, actually.
All right.
Nighttime video. All right, guys. So there's one other little tiny thing that I put on this golf cart. I got it off of Amazon. It was like 20 bucks, dirt cheap. Zach is actually going to film me going by with it on. It's hilarious. It's literally going to make this cart look like, well, you know, anyways,
This is some of the stupidest shit I've ever seen.
But you love it, don't you?
No.
Stop. They probably can't even see me because it's dark out.
I can see you. See your half of you. 50%.
Everybody say hi to Zach. It's been a while since he's been in the videos. That's they kind of seen you, dude. They kind of seen you.
Hell yeah.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna end this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please do me a favor, go check out Nokins down in the
I got it. We got it.
okay, go check out Nokins down in the description below, guys. They make a ton of freaking awesome products. I have more videos coming out. They're actually sponsoring another golf cart for me. I can't tell you what it is or how it's gonna go, but it's gonna be better than this one. I think you guys are gonna freaking enjoy it, but it's gonna be amazing. Plus we have a SilverWolf motor to put in this golf cart as well, with a 800 amp controller and a couple other goodies that you guys will be interested in if you are. But do me a favor, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that fun stuff, and I guess we're gonna end this video. Hopefully it's long enough for ads. Deuces.